Managing an outsourced team can be a game changer. But how do you make sure everything runs smoothly? Let's dive into some tips and best practices with Unity Communications. Tip number 1, establish communication channels. Clear communication is key, starting with setting realistic expectations right from the get-go. Regular check-ins are a must. Keep lines of communication open with weekly meetings and updates, adjusting the frequency over time. Tip number 2, use the right management tools. Apps like Asana, Zoho, and Monday are your best friends when managing an outsourced team. They help you keep everything on track, from tasks to deadlines. Plus, everyone stays in the loop, no matter where they are. Tip number 3, promote trust and collaboration by encouraging your team to share ideas and solutions. An outsourced team where everyone trusts each other is a productive team. Plus, a collaborative environment boosts team morale and creativity. Tip number 4, review your team's performance regularly to ensure everything stays on course. Quick problem solving helps keep the momentum going, so address issues as they arise to prevent further errors. Tip number 5, recognize and reward team wins. A little recognition goes a long way in keeping your team motivated and ready to tackle the next challenge. Remember to acknowledge and celebrate milestones and achievements both big and small. At Unity Communications, we're experts in managing outsourced teams effectively. Let's work together to maximize your team's potential. Ready to take your outsourced team's productivity to the next level? Contact Unity Communications today, and let's get started. We are Unity Communications. Win with us.